Hello, my name is Maria Villegas. I am a student in English Level 2, and this is my video for the summative assessment number 3. Hello, today I will explain the type of connector, addition and cause and effect. Addition connector help up and information. Examples are also, and in addition. Example: I like learning English and I practice every day. Cause and effect connector show a reason and a result. Examples are because, so, and therefore. Example: I studied a law because I have an exam. Thank you. Now, I will explain comparative adjective. Comparative adjectives are used to compare two things. The structure in adjective, plus than or more adjective than. Example: this book is more interesting than the other one. Last but not least, I will explain superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives are used to show the highest level in the group. The structure in the adjective is or the most adjective. Example: this is the tallest building in the city. Thank you for your attention.